Good morning, YouTube. This is TR as usual, all the way from Hyderabad, especially for you guys. Actually, today I'm doing a different kind of video. I hope you can see the conversation between one of my subscriber, Mr. Bhavik Gandhi. He's asking the tank bag of the Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350. Yeah, Thunderbird 350 or the Thunderbird 500, I don't know, but he's asking the tank bag of Thunderbird. He told that he searched all over Delhi, but he didn't find in any showroom or any service center. So he requesting me to send this tank bag to him through courier. I just thought that why don't I do a video about it? Uh, so so this is the conversion. You can pause it and you can read it. Yeah, this is what the conversion which I have done with him. So I'll check whether the tank bags are available or not, tank covers are not available or not, and if the tank cover is available, I'll ask him for his address and I'll send through courier. That's it. Let's go to Royal Enfield showroom.
Hi guys, I am back. Now I am heading to Royal Enfield service station so that I can check whether the utility tank covers are available or not. If the tank covers are available, then I'll purchase the tank cover and I'll go to some couriers like professional couriers or DTDC couriers. I'll go there and I'll send it to my subscriber. Actually, I didn't ask for his address, so I have to come back to home and I have to ask him for his address, and I have to courier that particular seat tank. I mean, particular tank cover. My God. Actually, yesterday I didn't ask him address because if I asked his address yesterday, and if the tank covers are not available in showroom, if I not send to him, he will think that I'm not ready to I'm not willing to send the tank cover. He will think like that. That's why I didn't ask him. So now I'm going to service station. I'll ask if there is availability of tank cover, then I'll take, then I ask him address and then I courier to him. I hope there is availability of tank covers. This guy bothered a lot. I mean, about this tank cover. I think he likes his bike a lot. That's why he keep messaging me for the tank cover. Yesterday he messaged me that he's ready to pay the what it calls the cost of the bag, and I ready to pay the courier charges. But I after his seriousness towards the tank cover, I decided that I should send it as a gift for him. I don't want to take money from him. It's not a big deal. It's, around, I think it will be around 600 to 700. It's not a big deal, but the care which he is taking towards his bike, which made me to do like this. Look at him, how he is coming. Middle of the road. From left side to directly is coming to right side. Come on, man. Sorry. So I'm here at Royal Enfield service station. So I'll ask whether the bags are available or not. Camera. I have a YouTube channel. I do videos and I post in that.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Check this out, guys. Very nice. So now I will collect his address and I'll courier to him. I hope he would definitely like it. Actually, this tank cover which I have purchased right now, that is very nice. Actually, nice than which I am having right now on my bike. It is a rough finished tank cover, but now I purchased it. That is a smoothly finished tank cover. That looks so elegant. What it calls dignified look. Neat look actually. It gives a neat look. Hope he will like it.
Many months later.
So guys, all set. I have collected his address. Now I am going to DTDC couriers. So I can courier this tank cover to him. Hope he will like it. Sorry for the gloves. I think it's the first time in YouTube history so that YouTuber is sending a gift to his subscriber who is at just 3,000 subscribers. Of course, there are a lot of YouTubers did what it calls. A lot of YouTubers did a lot of giveaways, which were thousands of dollars of gifts. They have done giveaways, but they already have subscribers at least 5,000 to 10,000. But right now I'm having just 300 subscribers. Now I'm doing just like a not giveaway, but just like a gift I am sending to my subscriber. Great job, TR. Great job. Keep it up.
Huh?
No, not keeping it up. But please guys, don't ask anyone. I just wanted to send him, that's it. I cannot afford, I cannot send everyone. Please try to understand, don't ask me. So finally done. I have couriered tank cover. Bhavik Gandhi, hope you like it. Don't forget to tell your friends about my channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. This is what I can expect from you. That's all, guys. This is about today's video. Actually, this video is being processing since 3 days, because with some work I didn't went to. I actually 2 days before I went to the service center and I took the bag. Anyhow, I couriered the bag to him. That's all, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and check out my all other videos. As always, ride safe, take care, hasta la vista.